My name is Tyler Jones, and welcome to Killing Time, the new series that literally
kills time.
This week's victim is this very ugly blue clock. And for our very first murderer culprit, I went classical. The hammer. Looks like it's time to die. It's gone. Well, that about does it. We are literally out of time. So stay tuned for new episodes where we'll find new clocks and new ways to kill them. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hope to see you again. Thanks for watching.
Hey, and please make sure you leave a comment on how you would like me to destroy a clock. Thanks.